sure he's gay. Well, what other explanation is there? Are you joking? Are you joking? Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, ring me later, yeah? Yeah, my number's 077 00 900 352. No, 77 00 900. Hello?
Have you any idea how irritating it is to have to listen to your inane prattle every morning? Not everyone is interested in your pathetic, loveless love life. Either cease your constant whinnying, or I'll place that phone up your arse, and the charger as well. Oh, and by the way, have it ever crossed your mind the reason he didn't want to sleep with you wasn't because he was gay, but because he found you so hideously ugly? Have a good day.
Morning, Mr.